A warm welcome to all car enthusiasts. You're watching your very own YouTube channel, Car Crazy 295, the platform where we present rare, classic, and powerful models from the world of automobiles in a truly unique style. If you're a fan of classic American muscle cars, then the 1960 Camaro SS 454T is nothing short of a dream. Powerful, rare, and absolutely exceptional in every way. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which classic car review you'd like to see next. Today, the car we're reviewing is a name that perfectly blends power, style, and vintage glory, the 1960 Chevrolet Camaro SS 454T. Let's begin this thrilling journey into the heart of this stunning muscle car. Experience the perfect blend of vintage muscle, raw power, and classic American design with the 1960 Chevrolet Camaro SS 454T. This iconic muscle car continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. In this presentation, we'll explore the Camaro SS's aggressive exterior styling, performance-focused interior, groundbreaking safety innovations for its time, and legendary powertrain capabilities. Get ready to relive a golden era of American automotive engineering. Let's begin. Exterior. Design. The 1960 Camaro SS 454T features a head-turning and aggressive exterior with classic, elongated hood and short rear deck, blacked-out front grille with SS badge quad headlights and chrome-accented bumpers, 15-inch rally wheels wrapped in performance tires, dual exhaust tips, and hood-mounted air scoopets. Bold stance and retro styling command presence on every road. Interior and comfort inside. The Camaro SS offers a performance-inspired cabin with sport bucket seats in premium black vinyl 3-spoke SS steering wheel analog. Performance gauges with center-mounted tachometer, vintage-style radio, and air-conditioning rear bench seating, with contrast stitching built for both driver engagement and cruising comfort. Safety and driver assistance safety. Features of the era include heavy-duty front disc brakes, 3-point seat, belts, reinforced steel body construction, high visibility, lighting and indicators, side mirror adjustment for improved road awareness while not modern. These systems ensured confidence on open highways, powertrain, and performance under the hood. The 1960 Camaro SS 454T roars with 7.4 LV8 big block engine output of 450 horsepower and 500 pounds-ft torque, 4-speed manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, Leuthia Veduti. Limited slip differential, a true beast, designed for straight-line speed and thrilling acceleration. Performance capabilities with its track-tuned suspension, high-performance exhaust system, responsive steering, and racing-tuned chassis. The Camaro SS 454T delivers 0 to 100 km per hour, 5.3 stop speed, 220 km. Fuel economy, approximately 6 to 8 km. L-trim and availability. The 1960 Camaro SS 454T remains a rare collector's treasure, often available through auctions or vintage showrooms, with values ranging between $75,000 to over $120,000, depending on condition and originality. Experience the spirit of true American muscle. The 1960 Chevrolet Camaro